Tap to install eSIM. Select Manual tab. Copy SM-DP plus address from VeloeSIM app. Go to Settings. Tap on Add eSIM. Tap to scan QR code. Tap to enter activation code. Paste SM-DP plus address. Tap Done. Tap Add button. Wait until installation is completed. Go back. Tap Mobile Networks. Tap Access Point Names. Tap on the newly installed eSIM button. Choose Access Point Name. Go back. Again, press Back button. Tap on SIM Manager. Scroll down and tap Mobile Data. Choose your newly installed eSIM for data. And finally, disable data switching. Well done! Wishing you a fantastic final stretch as you complete your VeloeSIM installation. May it unlock a world of convenience and connectivity for you.